In the Operators Part 1 segment of a comprehensive FATE tutorial, the focus is on the fundamental types of operators available in F. Operators in F are special symbols or keywords that perform operations on variables and values. The tutorial typically covers arithmetic operators, which handle basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also introduces assignment operators, used to assign values to variables, and comparison operators, which compare two values and return a Boolean result. Additionally, logical operators are explored, allowing for the combination of multiple Boolean expressions. The tutorial emphasizes the importance of understanding operator precedence and associativity to ensure correct evaluation in expressions. Overall, this section lays a solid foundation for working with data and essential for both novice and experienced developers looking to enhance their programming skills.